Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to make a floral cake pop using fondant. We are first going to need red food gel or any food gel of your choice. We use Wilton Fondant, so what you want to do is mix your fondant and your food gel thoroughly until the color has incorporated evenly. We do recommend you use gloves because it can become very sticky and it's just easier cleanup also on your hands. So make sure you mix until you get that color of choice. As you can see, the red is almost incorporated and it's looking very beautiful. Our super red fondant is ready. We are going to start making our flowers now. Grab a piece of wax paper, apply cornstarch throughout the entire wax paper, then add your fondant. Grab your rolling pin with guide rings. You need these guide rings to achieve the perfect thickness. Go ahead and roll back and forth until you reach the desired thickness of your fondant. Here is a Wilton double-sided cookie cutter. Cut as many circles as you wish, depending on how many flowers you're going to make. You must move fast before your fondant dries. If not, it'll be very hard to work with. To start making your flowers, you'll need a ball tool and a flower shaping foam. Gently apply pressure to the outside of the fondant circle. Do it a few rounds until you start seeing the curls. This is what you want to see. You need to have curls on the outside to make it look like a flower. Once you're done with that, we are going to apply it to our flower former. Let it sit overnight to dry completely. This will hold the shape of your flower. For the center of our flower, we are going to use this flower silicone mold. Grab a piece of white fondant, apply pressure, and remove from the silicone mold. Allow to dry completely. Now that our fondant flower is dried overnight, it's time to dip our cake pops into chocolate. Tap excess until it's fully coated. Before our chocolate settles, add your cake pop to a confetti dot. You can find our confetti dots on our website at www.pimenteldelights.com. Let it dry completely before we add our flower embellishment. Now that our cake pop has dried completely, dab some chocolate in the center of your cake pop. Then grab your fondant flower. Next, dab more chocolate in the center of your flower to add your center embellishment. And here you have it, a beautiful flower cake pop. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.